Today's hack is about how to fix the cracks in your hard case luggage without spending a fortune. Now, neither of these pieces was very expensive. This particular one cracked some time ago and I was kind of in a rush, so I just put a piece of leopard duct tape over the crack and it actually worked really well. So I used it a few more times and it does have some new cracks in it. I bought this piece, which I've used quite a bit. The last 2 trips though, it came back with some significant cracking in it. I went on YouTube and I looked up ways to fix it, and people were saying you need to get a soldering kit and all this stuff. Well, frankly, I didn't spend enough money on these to invest in something like that. So I was thinking, since the duct tape worked so good on this particular crack, which was actually really significant, maybe I can get a really good glue the cracks back together, and if I find some duct tape maybe that matches the luggage and put it over the cracks, that it would hold. So I got Gorilla Glue Clear Grip, and then I got Gorilla Clear Grip tape for this, and then I bought gold duct tape for this one. Matches pretty perfectly. So first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to take these and bring them to the bathroom and clean them up with my magic eraser. These are lifesavers. They clean everything. They clean your purses, the bottom of your shoes, your tennis shoes, whatever. These are awesome. I highly suggest you keep these around. So once I get these cleaned up, we'll reconvene and start the gluing process and see if we can get these fixed. So let's get started. Now that I'm done cleaning both of the suitcases, we can start fixing them. This one, where I had the duct tape on it before, that seems to be the only crack. The other ones that I thought were cracks were actually just dirt. Anyway, this is a pretty significant one. You can hear it. And, oops, yeah, so we're gonna fix it. The glue I'm gonna use is Gorilla Contact Adhesive Clear Grip Heavy Duty. The directions say to apply it to the surface to be bonded, but to maximize the strength, wait 2 minutes for the adhesive to partially dry before joining the surfaces, and then press firmly together. So that's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to glue this suitcase. This one has a lot of scratches on it, and I may just have to get another one because it's probably not going to look very good, but we'll try those scratches. And we are back to check on the progress of the cracks on my Hardshell luggage. So, as you know, I used the Gorilla Grip glue. This one turned out great. It's like the crack melted back together. You can still see it and it's rough feeling, but I think because of the pattern on here, it won't be as noticeable. And I am going to go ahead and put this clear Gorilla Glue tape over it. I don't know if it will hold it and if it will not crack again, but this, I think, did a great job. This one over here, the cracks went back together, melted back together, but this one kind of looks like crap because I just smeared the glue all over it, and you can kind of see the glue globs. I'll try to get rid of a little bit of it, and I think both of them would have done better had I cut the material on the inside of the luggage and glued it, but I really didn't want to mess the material up on the inside because it's so pretty. So anyway, I think this is a good solution. to temporarily fix some hardshell luggage until you decide to buy a new one. But if you have any good tips on how to fix your hardshell luggage that doesn't cost a fortune or require a soldering kit, let us know. We can all use a little help. Thank you so much for watching.